Yeah, a lot of things we are putting in perspective. I think under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant, all the issues are being addressed. And also we are getting experts, like I mentioned on the floor of the house, we are taking experts, we are bringing in expert, we are getting director of AIMS and WHO representative of India and making a committee along with the chief minister so that, the best of systems can be in place. We need the best of doctors, same time we need the best of systems in place. We are going to come down heavily on private practice. Any doctor working in the government, I've already got a list which I'm placing on the floor of the house. Any doctor working in the Goa Medical College will not be allowed to do private practice, and even contractual we are tweaking it. If we are paying more than 10 lakhs to any doctor, he is not going to be allowed to do private practice. There are some doctors we are paying about 14 lakhs. They are doing a good job.
So, to
But
me,
at the same time, we need to see that the people of Goa are served. I'm not saying that 100% efficiency is there in the system, but with the vision of the Prime Minister and the schemes that are being introduced by Government of India, and with his vision, with the Prime Minister's vision, Goa has benefited in a very big way as far as the health sector is concerned, WCD is concerned. And basically we want to improve ourselves. When we have criticism from the opposition, we take it as educating oneself to see that we are able to correct ourselves where we can bring in more efficiency and serve the common man. Nothing should be taken as a negative, in a negative way. It is on the floor of the house, everything that is discussed, everything is most welcome and we must move forward. त्यांनी कितें सांगलां ते प्रत्येक मनीस जे सांगता आमचो सरकार आमी चलयता त्याच बरोबर प्रत्येक मिडियाक हांव सांगूंक सोदता केन्ना केन्ना मिडिया छापता खट करून सोमते कितें आसता की सगळें समजून घेवंक जाय कितें घडलें कितें जाता डेव्हलपमेंट कोण ठरवू शकना केन्ना केन्ना आमी एक्स्ट्रा FSI जेन्ना दिता कांय सामान्य मनशाची घरां जी आहा जे ग्रावंड फ्लोर आहा तो एक वाडोवंक सोदता एक फ्लोर मागीर ताका उपाय काय ना गोंयान जमीन काय सहजपणे गावना ताका मागीर बेनिफीट कसो दिवचो सामान्य लोक आहा केन्ना केन्ना लोकांक फटयल्या फाटी कांय लोकांनी प्लॉटिंग केल्लें आसा विदावट एनी परमिशन त्या लोकांची घरां मागीर आयज मुख्यमंत्रीन इनिशिएटीव स्टेप्स घेतलेले आसा वेगळ्या तरेन ते हँडल करपाक पूण त्याच बरोबर लोकांच्या हितान इट इज नॉट ओन्ली इट इज रॉंग परसेप्शन that the town and country planning department is working even for the poorest of poor and whoever is a wealthy person. Its development is an ongoing process, but we are here to serve the people of the state of Goa. केन्ना केन्ना कितें आसता वेगळ्या तरेन विरोधक आपली भुमिका मांडटा ते कितें वेलकमींग हें करून घेवंक जाय लास्टाक आमी सरकारान आमी सरकार गेले 15 वर्सां आयज भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे सरकार गोंया राज्यान आयज राज्य करता आमकां लोकां खातीर कितें करूंक जाय खंय आमचे जर कितें करेक्टीव मेजर आमी घेवंक जाय घेवपाक कांयच हरकत ना FDA बरें काम करता FDA ते सांगता जितके FIR आमी घातल्या पूण कित्याक ते सेंट्रल एक्टाचे अंडर आमी वी आर गायडेड बाय दॅट सो वी हॅव टू सी विथ वॉट needs to be done and I think FDA director has done a fantastic job. The whole team of FDA is doing a good job. Our doctors also in Goa Medical College, but discipline I said is good. I have not backed out on discipline. Discipline is going nowhere. Discipline and everybody will be made accountable. I have got the record, evidence, everything of doctors doing private practice. I will appropriately give them one warning. After that we will take action because we need people dedicated to serve this. And even like there were a lot of complaints I was receiving these days. I was a little bit going slow. I said let me take the opposition also on board. Opposition's view also has to be taken because ultimately the work is going to be done by our government headed by the chief minister. And that's fine.
So as far as hospitals or whatever they have asked, that would be
करूंक जाय न्ही सगळें घेतला हातीन जर कंप्लीट करपाक जाय न्ही पूण ते कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिवली आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन लोकांच्या जिवनान कितें तरी बरें करपाक म्हणून आमी मिनिस्टर जाले हांगा आमी लोकांक त्रास करपाक म्हणून मिनिस्टर जावंक ना म्हाज्या डिपार्टमेंटान जे कितें सजेशन्स बरे जे आयले म्हणून हांवें सांगलें न्ही आयज ते खाजेकारांचे ते वन टायम तांकां ते एग्जाम करपाक म्हणून मुख्यमंत्रीक हांवें सांगलें सजेस्ट कर हांवें केन्ना केन्ना कितें पॉलिसी डिसिजन्स आमी घेता केन्ना केन्ना इतलें सोंपें नासता न्ही प्रत्येक गोश्ट is in the scrutiny of the law. So we have to respect the law. Even if you are a minister, even if you legislate, everything has to be done judicially and cautiously. आणि कितें एक सांगता परत गोंयान डेव्हलपमेंट हे फास्ट ट्रॅकाचेर आहा गोंयान डेव्हलपमेंट सांग तुमी आयज पळयता तुमी सगळे मिडिया आहा 10 वर्सां पयलीं कोणी चिंतलेले ह्या तरेचे अटल सेतू हांगा येतले काय हांगा तुमी ओव्हरब्रीज पळयल्ले काय पोरवरीम ओव्हरब्रीज जातले इतले व्हडले रस्ते येतले नॉर्थ सावथ कॉरिडोर जातले हे भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे सरकार आनी देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री जेन्नाच्यान जाल्ले तेन्नाच्यान गोंया राज्याक इतले बेनिफीट गावता गोंया राज्यान मुख्यमंत्री सगळे गोश्टी फुडें व्हरता पूण आयज म्हाका दिसता जे कितें आमी घडयता जे कितें आमी डिस्कस करता टावन प्लॅनिंग म्हणून सगळ्यांचे बोबो आसता पूण टावन प्लॅनिंगान कितें जालें फाटी आनी कोणी खंयच्या सरकारान कितें केलें तें पर्सनल वचप नासता तें म्हणून हांवें कोणाची नांवां घेवंक ना म्हाका कोणाचीच नांवां घेवपाची ना म्हाका जबाबदारीनी काम करपाक जाय आनी हांव जें कितें करता विथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी करतलो आयज हांव हांगा सत्तेर बसला म्हणून विरोधाच्या नांवान चेश्टा करप तशें जायना म्हाजे कडेन जावचें ना आमकां रिस्पॉन्सिबली बिहेव करूंक जाय We are all legislators, and within the assembly forum, we should discuss with responsibility and with respect for each other. And I respect all the views of the opposition. That's it.
बरं